As we saw last week, Chino has a rich history and heritage of farming. And while many of these farms are a thing of the past, one of our local farms still stands and provides not only amazing produce, but a great family experience as well. Welcome back to Chino in the Hills Secrets Exposed. Hi, I am your host, Thomas Ryan, and welcome to Family Farms Chino, your local source for fresh, high-quality produce right here in the heart of Chino. Established 4 years ago, Family Farms has been proudly serving the community with a wide variety of delicious crops. Their current star attraction right now, strawberries. In season from now until June, these juicy delights are a local favorite, but that's not all that they offer. Family Farms takes pride in growing an assortment of greens, including kale, cilantro, onions, mustard greens, beets, carrots, parsley, and much more. And if that's not enough, they also source fruits and snacks from other farms and sometimes even from different countries. The name Family Farms is very intentional for these owners. Yes, it is their family farm. It is also their goal to welcome the community to be part of their family and in end, enjoy the farm together. They love meeting new people from Chino and the surrounding community and hope that when visitors come, they feel like part of the family too. Family Farms Chino is located on the cross streets of Cypress Avenue and Chino Avenue, right in the heart of Chino. They are open from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. daily, so come on down, say hello. And if you're looking for a family-friendly, fun activity, why not try their strawberry self-picking going on right now. Available every day now. It used to just be a weekend thing. Available every day from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. It's just $10 per person, which includes entry to the farm and your own basket to fill with delicious strawberries. So whether you're looking for the freshest strawberries in town or you just want to spend a day on the farm with your loved ones, come on down and visit Family Farms Chino. They can't wait to see you. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Chino in the Hills Secrets Exposed. If you did enjoy it, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the Thomas Ryan Real Estate YouTube channel to see more videos just like this one. Until next time, enjoy your fresh produce and have a good day. Bye.